Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to explore the software lifecycle process as defined by ISO 12207, an internationally recognized standard for software engineering process. Understanding this standard is crucial for anyone involved in software development, as it provides a comprehensive framework for managing the entire life cycle of a software product. ISO 12207 is a standard developed by the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, that defines the processes, activities, and tasks involved in the life cycle of a software product. It provides guidance on how to effectively manage software development, from initiation to operation and maintenance. Key phases of the software lifecycle. Initiation phase. This phase involves identifying the need for a software system and initiating the project. Objectives, scope, and constraints of the project are defined. Key stakeholders are identified and their requirements are gathered. Framework establishment and management phase. Here, the overall approach for developing the software is established. Processes, standards, and methodologies are defined and managed throughout the life cycle. Quality assurance processes are put in place to ensure compliance with standards. Life cycle model definition phase. The specific life cycle model to be used for the project is selected. This could be iterative, incremental, waterfall, agile, or a combination depending on a project requirements. The chosen model dictates how development activities will be organized and executed. Process implementation phase. Once the life cycle model is defined, processes identified in the framework are implemented. Detailed procedures, roles, and responsibilities for each process are defined. Training and education may be provided to ensure adherence to established processes. Process assessment and improvement phase. Continuous improvement is emphasized in the phase. Implemented processes are evaluated to identify areas for improvement. Changes are made to processes to increase efficiency and effectiveness. Software development phases. Requirements are gathered, analyzed, and documented. Architectural designs are created, coding is done, and testing is performed. Individual components are integrated and tested together. Software is deployed to end users, including installation and configuration. Software is used by end users, and maintenance activities such as bug fixes and updates are performed. Benefits of ISO 12207. Provides a standardized approach to software development, improves quality and reliability of software products, enhances communication and collaboration among project stakeholders, facilitates compliance with the regulatory requirements. In conclusion, ISO 12207 offers a structured framework for managing the software lifecycle process. By following its guidelines, organizations can ensure the successful development, deployment, and maintenance of the software products. Understanding and implementing ISO 12207 principles can lead to more efficient and effective software development processes. Thank you for your attention, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.